In this video, you'll learn how to delete all completed tasks in Microsoft To Do and keep your list organized. First, open the Settings option and go to the Smart List area. Then turn on the Completed option. Close the settings. Dialog to return to your main task view and get ready to manage your tasks efficiently. Next, select the task you want to remove, and from the context menu, choose Delete to quickly clear completed items from your list. Then, select any additional completed tasks and confirm their removal from the context menu to keep your task list up to date. That's it. Now you know how to delete completed tasks in Microsoft To Do.